Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with CharlieHR Review My Usage Experience. CharlieHR Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing employee performance and providing feedback within a company. Its main purpose is to streamline the performance review process, making it more efficient and effective for HR departments and managers. Key features likely include templates for reviews, automated reminders, and tools for tracking employee progress. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. CharlieHR positions itself as a user-friendly solution to managing employee performance reviews. Their website emphasizes ease of use and aims for pricing transparency. While specific pricing isn't readily available on the surface, the overall impression is one of a reasonably priced SaaS solution. The technology appears to be cloud-based, allowing access from anywhere with an internet connection. Availability is likely dependent on subscription and company setup. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using CharlieHR Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process was well guided, and I was able to set up my first review within 15 minutes. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displayed upcoming reviews and provided easy access to previous evaluations. I particularly appreciated the customizable templates, allowing me to tailor feedback to individual employees. The performance was consistently reliable. I never experienced any glitches or slowdowns. I had a quick question about integrating CharlieHR with our existing payroll system, and their support responded within a day via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the automated reminder system. It significantly reduced the chance of missed reviews. One minor drawback was the limited reporting features. I'd like to see more granular data visualization options in the future. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with CharlieHR Review My Usage Experience. It simplified our performance review process considerably, saving both time and effort. That's my overview of CharlieHR Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.